Okay, I'm not sure the dish we're making, but I know we bought this pork in the market. It should be on one of the other videos that we did. And she's figured a way to incorporate it into another dish that we're doing. I told her I usually like this really, really crunchy, crispy. So I don't know if that's what she's trying to accomplish. Here she's trying to kill me on purpose here. She's got the garlic and then the chilies. I'm sure it has some coriander root and the pepper. No pepper. Okay. So coriander, chili.
ใส่รากกระเทียมไหมคะแม่
กระเทียม
ไม่ใช่ราก
No
ผักชีไม่ต้อง
อ๋อ
นะ
รากกระเทียม
2
Okay just only garlic and the chili
And chili.
Yeah.
I'm gonna die. Okay. Don't. Okay.
อ๋อ Okay
So the garlic and the chili. Ooh. Ouch.
the paste that we bought
Whoa. Ooh.
You like?
This gonna kill me. Alright, so here's what's going on. She tossed the chilies and stuff in there, and immediately the heat from the chilies came up in my nose and my eyes,
Okay.
โอ้ย I also got it
and it is strong. A lot of times you'll see Chinese cooks. A lot of times you'll see Chinese cooks with masks on their faces. That is overpowering.
Okay
This is gonna be too hot.
ได้ค่ะ
ปรุงแล้วนะ
ค่ะ
Sorry.
be careful นะนะคะ all the soy sauce mushroom oyster sauce
Oh, that's killing me.
little chew โอ้ย I got the smell too
Killing all of us.
โอ้ย
That's it.
ไม่
So that's the basil leaves she's tossing in there. Man, this is gonna be too hot.
เฮ้ย
Oh.
ไม่
Be careful what you ask for. I'm afraid of that, and I haven't even tried and tasted it yet. Whoa!
Whoa.
oh my
Just
gosh
cooking it was killing me.
oh my nose
Okay, so we gotta wait a minute. No, that's gotta cool all the way down before I even touch it.
ใช่
มีขอกระเพราหมูกรอบ
โอ้ย
she said it's gonna be very spicy ฮะเป็นไงบ้างคะคุณแม่ how was it very spicy runny nose
And
now
that's just from cooking it. My nose started
Yeah.
running.
no way no ค่ะ
กรอบ
ได้ค่ะแม่
Okay, so I've been running around Thailand. I've been running around Thailand telling everybody I want some really hot stuff. I said I want something that's going to be so hot where I cry tears, where my nose is running like it just did then, where beads of sweat are coming up on the top of my head, which is doing now. So, and I haven't even tasted it. All I did was cooked it. But the power of the heat and of the peppers and the heat and the chili was so overpowering, you just breathe it and it kind of like takes your breath away.
yeah
So, I'm really almost scared to taste it. And you notice I'm not getting big and bad and putting peppers on there like I've been doing on all the other dishes, grabbing the peppers. That's not going to happen now. Okay. Well, maybe. No. No. All right.
Oh. Ay. The heat.
I'm getting heat from the temperature.
Yes. You can have it with the rice. Oops.
สักจานหนึ่งเลยขอจาน2 ใบจานเล็กหนึ่ง
What's you feeling?
อันนี้ก็ได้ตุ๊กขออีกใบไซส์เนี่ย
Okay, so the chili heat is manageable. The thing that's not manageable is the temperature heat. You know what I mean? It was burning the inside of my mouth, the temperature heat.
มันร้อน
That's not.
Not spicy?
It's spicy, but not
can't-
overwhelming.
Not like this one.
Oh, well, that one really wasn't. This is not as spicy as
อัน
that.
นี้พริกคนละส่วนแล้วนะ
Uh-huh.
อันนั้นมันจะเป็นพริกธรรมดา
Because we use a different chili.
Chili. Okay.
That one is like a normal red
Red
pepper,
pepper.
and this one we use พริกขี้หนูสวน
Okay.
Which is
So
like-
yeah, I can tell the difference.
Not that one that we see. Yeah.
The little bitty green ones.
Yeah.
Okay, so I can tell the difference between the little bitty green ones
Yes.
and the red ones here. This is definitely hotter to me. As far like my mouth right now is not burning. You understand? I don't have this massive desire to get water and quench, this
Like
flame. On that one, it had a flame, and I was tempted to take water to cool it down. I like the flavor of this.
ต้องกินกับข้าวสุดยอดเลย
this is the best Thai street food, you know.
ข้าวหอมมะลิ
Oh, it is?
กะเพรา
And what
You-
is it called?
กระเพรา
Grapao.
Yes,กะเพรา is like a basil stir fry. You can put any meat on it, like either the seafood, the pork, chicken,
Anything with the
anything.
basil.
Yeah, basil, garlic, and
Okay.
red pepper.
Well, now all these food cooking recipes, I don't think I'm going to post them. I'm going to do them.
Oh, okay.
Now I'm gonna post them so you guys can share in the food. All this stuff is just like super fantastic, and I think we have one more dish to go.
2 more.
Oh man!
Come on, this is like an extra dishes. Original, we have 4 dishes. After you went to a market, we have 7 dishes.
Oh. Hey, what can I say? The market was great. There's just too much food out there to leave it. So
ยังอยากไหม
Uh-huh.
I like this because of the
crispy
pork
pork.
that's in it. The crispy
ก
pork.
รอบด้วยเห็นไหม
I like
คะ
that greasy.
Mhm.
Yeah, right. See? This right here.
Good. Bye.